Today, let me show you how Minexa.ai works for scraping philatelic product listings, whether you use the Chrome extension or the API. It's fast and easy to extract data the right way. Here I am opening the market.correos.es page that already has the philatelic products loaded. From here, just hit the Minexa.ai extension icon, and Minexa takes care of the rest. With Minexa.ai open, click the violet button saying, "I'm on the right page," to scan the layout and detect the philatelic product listings. That fast, the page scan is complete, and Minexa.ai is ready to proceed with data extraction. At this point, choose to scrape only the list, or enable detail pages to extract each product's detailed information. Click Continue or Advanced to set any needed clicks, scrolls, or inputs before the list loads fully. That highlighted area is what Minexa.ai identified as the container for philatelic listings. Hit Create Scraper, and it detects every data point automatically. Every field is ready. Minexa.ai found multiple product listings with prices, and even data hidden inside the page you might have missed. Developers, click the API request button to get working Python code with proxy and JavaScript rendering pre-configured. Validate and save your setup with one click by selecting Complete Configuration. Pagination detected automatically, so your scraper collects every page of philatelic product results on each run. Click Complete Setup to launch your scraper live, and optionally set a schedule before you start. Click Run, and the job begins collecting data across all pages automatically. This is your extracted data, structured and consistent across every row. It includes product names, descriptions, prices, and availability from market.correos.es, perfectly ready for spreadsheets, databases, or automated workflows. Click Export to save or share your full dataset immediately in formats like Excel or JSON. Minexa.ai works for anyone needing web data. Developers get a full scraping stack replaced by a single API call with consistent results every time.